Hi, I'm doing duct tape and ties. Something ties.
Zip ties.
Zip ties.
Holy God.
From my experience, the duct tape, if it's done more than once around, I can't get out. So if someone duct tapes me more than once around, I'm just gonna sit there. I can't try to get out. But so I'm gonna be abducted with duct tape only once around, and you'll see how I'll get out. I saw the methods on YouTube, and so this is how I'll get out. All right, now I've been abducted. The method I seen was you put your head up and then you go fast down. Let's see if that works. And it broke the, ow, I hit my elbows on these two things here. So it hurts sometimes to break out. Now you break out the, these here by just, and his head's in the way, by tearing, just by tearing the duct tape. And that's getting out of only if it's one layer. I can't, but one layer, I'm out. Okay, so the next one is behind the back. We'll see if that works. So this one, all you have to do is do like a figure 8 motion. Oh, yep, it works. And there you go. I'm out. So now we're doing the twist tie. The trick about the twist tie is I'm not strong enough to break it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my hands into a fist. Oh, but he did it too tight. Okay. No, not tighter. No, not tighter. Okay, he put it on too tight. So I put my hands in a fist and he went tighter and tighter. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to get out. So then I'll make my hands in the pray motion. He tightened it. Okay, so now I'm gonna try that one. I might break my bracelets. So the...
Don't shoot, don't bite them.
No, I'm not. The square has to be in the center.
Well, let's just stop this and I'll take the thing off.
No. It has to be in the center. And it has to be tighter.
Hang on.
Make it tighter.
So you want it over here?
In the center.
Is that the center?
Yeah, right there. And then tighter. And then what you have to do is put it...
Hang on, you're not, yeah, okay, go ahead.
Okay, my dog's in the way. And he has his foot on me. That's not gonna break. Nope, I'm good in there. Well, that's not breaking. Well, this must be like for like heavy weight. Alright, now I have a zip tie, and what you have to do is you have to get the that square part in the center of your hand, which this is not. Still not really. I'm gonna give it a try. Oh, yeah, this is not good. I don't think it's tight enough.
A little tighter?
Yeah. It's got to be really tight. So I'm out of the zip tie. So for the zip ties, it has to be really tight, super tight. And the square thing has to be right in the center. So that's duct tape and zip ties, and if there's more than one loop around for the duct tape, I'm done. And the zip ties, if it's more than the thin ones, I'm done. Thanks for watching.